Devanshu, please start. Yes, children. See, suppose we are given in the question that there is a circular round cover in which 6 designs are made like this. We are given that there the design is being made. Right? Now this design, children, is equal. ये जो 6 designs बने, there is some design. ये circular cover है, tabletop of circle. These are the designs which are equal. Now, children, if we look carefully, that what is the shape of these designs?
Segment.
What is the shape?
Segment.
Yes. The each design looks like a segment. Now, when we are given in the question that all 6 designs are equal, all 6 designs are equal, does it mean that all 6 segments are equal?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, if I have to find the area of the design, will that be equal to area of 6 segments?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And since all the segments are equal, so area of 6 designs will be 6 into area of one design.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Are we clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Now, one more thing I want to ask you, I want to relate it to your class 9, you have done in class 9. If 2 segments are equal, does it mean their corresponding chords are also equal in length?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then only the area of segments can be equal. 2 segments are equal means their corresponding chords are equal in length. And do we know that equal chords subtend equal angles at the center?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute yourself, children, whoever is speaking from the back. So that means whichever chords are there, they all are equal. And as we know that equal chords subtend equal angles at the center, that means all these angles being made are equal. Let me name any one of the segments as A or B. Okay?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
the measure of each of these angles?
60 degree.
Because complete angle is 360 and all these 6 angles are going to be equal because all the chords are equal and equal chords are subtending equal angles at the center. Right? So 360 is the total angle, complete angle. 360 divided by 6. So your theta
60
comes out to be 60 degree. And we are given in the question that the radius is 28 centimeter. Right? Now, how to find area of one segment? How
Area
to
of
find
triangle. Area of sector AOB
Area of
minus area
sector
of
minus
triangle.
area of triangle
Area of
AOB.
sector minus area of
that will be area of sector, this sector minus area of triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is all we have to do. Calculations will take a little time, but otherwise the concept is this only. I'm just repeating my steps. Since all the 6 designs are equal and each design corresponds to a segment, so area of designs will be equal to area of 6 segments, which is in turn equal to 6 into area of one segment. And as area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle, for that we know radius is 28 centimeter. And here we shall apply that equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. So therefore each angle is 360 upon 6, 60 degree. So now we have all the information that we need to solve it out. And better in the end, we are not supposed to find the area, but the cost of designing, which is given as rupees 0.35 paisa, sorry, rupees 0.35 per centimeter square, right? So after calculating the total area, we are just gonna multiply it by
0.35.
0.35 to get the total cost of design. Are we clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let us start
Yes.
writing the statements. Let us start writing the statements.
सेगमेंट्स इक्वल नहीं है.
So we have written as 6 designs are equal. This implies 6 segments are equal to, and that further implies that corresponding chords are equal. And if chords are equal, they subtend equal angle at the center. So therefore, theta is equal to angle AOB is equal to 360 upon 6, which is 60 degree. And radius R is given to be 28 centimeter. Now, area of 6 designs
Hello.
मैम आपका वीडियो पॉज हो गया है.
वीडियो फ्रीज हो गया है. मैम डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई.
Square theta upon 360 degree.
minus what is equilateral triangle area?
Root under 3 upon 4 r square.
Root 3 by 4 R square. Yes, children? Now let us see. As we know that R is a multiple of 7, so we will take pi as 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 into 60 degree upon 360 degree. In the question, we are given that we are supposed to take root 3 as 1.7, just 1.7 into 28 centimeter square. So this will be equal to, in the bracket, if you can see, we can cancel 7 ones are 7 fours are 1, 6, again 2, 3. All right. Here 4 ones are and then cancelled with 7. Now, children, if you see in both the brackets, in both the terms, we have 28. So let us take 28 common outside. So 6 into 28. Here we have 22 into 2, which is 44 divided by 3 minus 1.7 into 7. Right? G beta. Now what is 44? Isko I would say you would keep dividing. What is 6 into 28?
160.
Yes. And in the bracket 44 upon 3. Let us divide it here itself. 3 ones are 3.
14.6.
3. No, sorry, 14.66. 1.7 into 7. 7 sevens are 14.
11.9.
Alright. Which is equal to 168 into, please hurry up. 14.66 minus 11.9.
2.7.
Which is equal to Yes, children, hurry up. I'm waiting.
Ma'am, 463.68.
Ma'am, 463.6.
258.
Is that what you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now in the end, we have to find the cost. As cost of designing 1 centimeter square is equal to rupees 0.35. Therefore, cost of total design, this would be equal to rupees 0.35 into the total area. And what's that? Anybody hurry up? You can find just up to 2 decimal places.
Ma'am, 152.83.
Is that what everybody is getting?
Ma'am, 162.288.
Yes, this sounds better. 162.28 we will say, na? Because paisa is up to 2 places. So 162.28. Yes, Devanshu.